let's say your window will not let up. Right here's a quick fix. I'm glad you asked. We'll come right here. We're going to remove this. There's going to be a bolt here. There's a bolt right there. There's a bolt behind this, and should be one down at the bottom. Fits it. Reach under there and we're going to push it back up. We're going to tape it in place. Alright, we're going to need some tape. Tape. Alright, you want to go ahead and get your couple pieces of tape ready. So, down here, push it, just like that. Grab it on both sides, push it up. I'm going to put this on the other side. Alright, I wasn't going to unplug them, but they're in my way. Just unplug these pieces right here, okay? One here, a couple there and there. Push this down and out. This one. And with these, there's a little button on the back right there. Push that down, pull down. Grab that, push it down. Last one's different. I'm gonna get something, just push it in like that. Alright, we got the panel loose. Make sure y'all set it up off the ground so your dogs don't pee on it. This socket's a 9/32. Let's say 9/32 on it. Alright, this is right here where the door handle's at, right there. That is going to be a millimeter. See, I want to take all this plastic off because it's just really in the way. I can't see everything. And you know, it just don't take a second. It's just one bolt. And you just come right here and you flip this plastic piece up. Pop it up, and now this wire will just pop right out. See? Right. And this right here is just sitting down in there. It only has one bolt holding it in. Alright, so it just slides in this way, and then has one bolt. Alright, try not to mess this up, because this is very important. clamped here and here. It's clamped on to the bottom of this window. And drop your bolt. Motor assembly here and here. There's 1, 2, 3, like possibly 4. That's 5. Now make sure you got your window taped good. You don't want it dropping down in the middle of this. Be careful. That thing is short. So it's hanging right here. You gotta pick it up a little bit, then just drop it. Same with this side. Pick it up and drop it. Alright, and just kind of work it out. So we need to push down on that and pull out. Alright, if you look at it this way, these pieces need to be way up here. Okay? We're not going to worry about that right now. Okay? All we got to worry about right now is bolting these brackets in. Okay? Then we'll line all this up afterwards. The window, the rubber will be pointed upward and the bolt will be facing you. Get your hook in, take that bolt you just took off, and get it started. Alright. So you get it started, reach down here to where these threads are at, and that nut you just took off, see, all this comes with it. Put that nut back on. Just go ahead and tighten it down. The bolt here. Alright, let's come back to the other side. The nut on the bottom you want to take off. And it's okay if you drop it. You can get it back. It's not that hard to get out. There we go. Alright, I'm going to go over here to the top. Take this bolt out. Alright. See this little metal hook right here? I want to go in this slot right there. Just like that. See, your threads are lined up. Put your bolt in. Alright. Look right here at the bottom. See the threads? You just took this nut off of them. Put it back on. So we've got right here. Now what you want to do is you want to take the control box off your door. These controls right here will come on the back side. See right here where this is at? Alright, now this one I'm using a 9/32. Let's say 9/32 on it. Alright, one there. Here. The reason why we took this off is to line these brackets up. So these brackets are way down here. Down here at the bottom. We want to raise these brackets up some and then line the window up. They'll only fit one way, so don't worry about getting them mixed up, because you can't. Push over and turn your power on so you can roll your window up and down. Yeah, now you can reach up and remove all your tape. See if it works. Okay. Good job. Now you can put the cover back on. Y'all give yourself a hand. You're doing real good. Remember, next time, don't take it to the mechanic. You can do it yourself. You got this. You can do it. All right. See y'all later. First, we're going to put our plastic back on. Put your handle back on. Push the plastic back down. Now, let's get our bolt in. You'll notice on the back you have all these plastic hooks. You want to put together in these holes and then hang down. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this back in.